Modern clinical research into DMT focuses on the precise moment human consciousness crosses a neurochemical threshold into an entirely different state of awareness. Subjects consistently report a state of ontological shock, characterized by the experience of entering a stable, hyperstructured environment that feels more real than everyday life. Across thousands of independent reports, the same patterns emerge: the sensation of reality switching, direct contact with autonomous intelligences, and navigating an elaborate interface. Mainstream science typically interprets this consistency as a byproduct of how the human brain is wired, a predictable hallucination triggered by a specific chemical key. If we treat the molecule as a frequency tuner rather than a simple hallucinogen, it suggests that human consciousness possesses a latent capacity to perceive layers of reality that are normally invisible. To understand the structure reported by psychonauts, we have to look past the modern model of an infinite vacuum and examine humanity's oldest, most guarded cosmological maps. For thousands of years, civilizations across the globe described the universe as a strictly bounded enclosed system, the cosmic egg. This grid layout shows 12 distinct cultural variations of this model. The Vedic Brahmanda, the Norse Ymir, the Egyptian Apep, and the Greek Orphic egg all portray a universe contained within a structural shell. These maps describe a protective outer shell that houses a massive circulating electromagnetic torus field. Within this torus, energy flows along a central vertical axis. Mythological traditions identify this pillar as the Bifrost or Axis Mundi, a cosmic highway through the center of the system. These ancient models frame our reality as a contained, protected womb, shielded from the infinite void outside the shell. Interface cosmology synthesizes this ancient bounded model with modern perceptual theory to explain how we experience the world. In this framework, space-time functions as a rendered dashboard. The cosmic egg provides the physical enclosure, while the world we see is a projection within it. This model implies that human consciousness is the underlying substrate, the navigator moving through this engineered environment. The DMT breakthrough can be viewed as a sudden disruption in how consciousness interacts with this cosmic architecture. By retuning the brain's perceptual frequency, the molecule allows the user to temporarily bypass the rendered dashboard and directly observe the structural boundaries of the enclosure. Every major ancient cosmology places a messenger figure at the center or edge of the map, like the winged figure seen in this carving. These archetypal beings, like Hermes or Thoth, mirror the entities reported in clinical trials, appearing to act as border intelligences or guides, managing the transition between layers of the field. The modern psychonaut and the ancient mapmaker appear to be describing the exact same boundary, accessed through different methods of human perception. Modern simulation theory is effectively a rebranding of these ancient truths, using the digital metaphors of the 21st century. This specific matrix is built from consciousness and is strictly cosmological in nature. The bounded architecture of the egg suggests a specialized function. It operates as a cosmological incubator. Ancient traditions described the ascending path as a process of refinement, gradually tuning our personal oscillation and harmonic frequency to navigate higher layers of the interface. We are moving through a designed environment managed by border intelligences, and the gates are accessible to anyone who can tune their frequency.